The general rule is usually a year per inch for hardwoods. Air drying before a kiln and then 4 to 6 weeks afterwards, even sometimes 12 weeks, 8 to 12. That's not always necessarily exactly how it works, but minimum 2.5, 3 years usually. This is how you get a lot of bad wood. So sometimes we'll help people with kiln drying outside of our product. And it's almost always like, hey, it was cut last week, I just want to throw it in the kiln. And I have to have that unfortunate conversation where they've invested the money in the wood and say, well, you're 3 years out from having this actually be a usable product. Well, the air drying process is pretty crucial, especially if you're trying to produce wood that minimizes tension, checking, defects, honeycombing, warpage, all that stuff, all the things that turns a beautiful piece of wood into firewood. Not really much of a substitute for just slowly drying the wood. There are some different ways to speed that process, but it's just not fast, right? And you can get a piece of wood and you pull it out of the kiln, you put it together, and because it's been rush drying, it could turn into potato chip or surfboard or something that you didn't intend it to be.